Okay guys, so the E39 is here at Wearnes Auto House, alright? You remember the last time when I did the video of the tinting film, right? At that time, this power window, alright, this power window was not working, so I waited to get this power window fixed. And well, I got that fixed at my good friend Syed's workshop. He got a used a half-cut power window set which he installed in there. I'm sorry I didn't film that one, but I'll include the costing of my power window fix in the description section. Now, so before we go and hi Eric, this is Eric from Glastec. So before we go bring the car in to have that window tinted, Eric has proposed an interesting little experiment, okay, to illustrate the effectiveness of the window films. So what he has here, this is not a laser gun. Well, it is a laser gun actually, but it measures temperature and it measures surface temperature, right? Okay, so let's try the effectiveness here first. So here on the road, so you see this shaded area, the non-shaded area. So you shoot the shaded area, 31 Celsius. Now you try there, 37. So between this and this, 6 degree difference. Now we go inside to the car. What Eric's going to do is he is going to measure, okay, the surface temperature of my leather seat. All right, so we're gonna look at this. Here is this is through this is through the untinted window, right? Let's see.
Why so hot already?
What 49
point something.
Okay, now here the driver's side, this window is tinted. Let's see. 37.
Yeah.
Phew. That is a 12-degree difference, you know.
Yeah. Just leather.
Wow, 12-degree difference, man. Yeah. So this little experiment here demonstrates the impressive effectiveness of this Glastec Alpha film Alpha range. And this is not even the highest range, right?
No.
Yeah. So this is the second highest in the range, and yeah. So 12-degree difference. That is impressive. And remember, and the thing is that, right, I remember that earlier in the video, in my previous video, these German cars, they don't take very well to sunlight. So a good tinting film where my E39 is concerned is a worthwhile investment. So yeah, so I'm a very happy customer. And for the past, like what, how long has it been? 2 months already. 2 months already I had this film in. I can feel the difference inside. Even on driving on a hot sunny day, I don't feel the heat so much. And when I step into the car after, when it's parked under hot sun, which I rarely do, I can feel a bit of a difference.
Right.
Okay. So yep. Anyways, Eric. So after this, we're going to go in and tint the remaining window.
Sure.
Okay. Thanks. A Proton X70 is just here. Hey, the X70 discount still on?
Yeah. We just extend it because many people is actually asking for
So guys, if you drive a Proton X70, Glastec is giving you 30% off its all its films.
Yeah, all films. Range. Yep.
All right, nice. Some more. Then you have any other promos coming up?
Well, it's a tribute to your BMW. So any BM that you guys bring in will give you the same discount as well.
Okay, guys, listen to this. All BMWs, right?
Yep.
30% off Glastec.
Yep.
30%. Okay, cheers, guys. All right, guys. So E39 has come in and getting ready to have the final piece of the tint installed. Okay. Right, so my BM there is getting the last window tinted, and here we have a Proton X70. And if you would remember from my previous video, all X70 owners enjoy a 30% discount on all Glastec range films. Now that offer is extended to all BMW owners as well. So if you drive a BMW, doesn't matter old or new, 30% off for your car. All right, so coming back to the X70, the owner of this car, he's a bit camera shy, so he's not appearing, but he is here after watching our videos, being introduced to Glastec window films, and of course hearing that the X70 enjoys a 30% discount, so brought his car here to have it tinted. All right, this unit here you can see with the moonroof, so it's a premium two-wheel drive model. So for the X70, right, after discount, the price to have your X70 tinted is 2,300 ringgit for the front, rear, and side windows. If you want to tint the moonroof, that is an extra 700 ringgit as well. Okay, guys, so take advantage of this offer. If you drive a Proton X70 or any BMW, all right, you get 30% off all Glastec window films.